So a number of people reach out to me asking how I am able to book some really good hotels and resorts at dirt cheap prices, hotel chains such as Oberoi, Marriott, Hilton, etc. At very very cheap prices, because these prices seems to be extraordinarily high. However, we are able to get deals in certain circumstances. When we are usually booking, we go to travel aggregators such as MakeMyTrip, Goibibo, or if you're internationally booking, then you may be going to Agoda or other such sites. But the prices that we get over here are again damn high, right? We are not able to, they seem to be out of our range. And in today's video, I will be covering as to what are the tips and tricks that you can use to book those room rates at a dirt cheap prices, and not think that the 4 and the 5 star hotels are beyond anybody's range. So what you need to do for that is, firstly, you need to pick up lean period, right? So if you try to book in the peak period, then of course the prices will be high. I think it is a no brainer, so I'm not going to talk about that a lot. But if you are booking in peak seasons as well, then also there are opportunities for you to book the prices at dirt cheap, and I'll cover that in the video today. So for example, if I talk about finding a hotel in Marriott, right, and we'll try to take a couple of examples. I will show you how you can get the best deal out of there. I'll take up a weekend, let's say 16 to 17 January. I'll try to take that weekend and I'll try to find a room for 2 adults, and let's see what the prices come out to be. And we'll pick up the hotels which are relatively highly priced. So we will, in our first go, we will never consider them, or at least common people will not consider them, because they are really highly priced. So I have run a query on this on their site. Let's see what the prices come along with taxes and all fees, because we need to be paying the taxes as well. And you can see that there are various prices available around 5,000, 6,000, as low as 2,240. The prices are available. So let's try to find a hotel which is highly priced, and we will see that how we can get that at a fairly good deal. So going by the hotels, let's pick up a higher side hotel. Okay, so let's pick up this hotel, 4 Points by Sheraton Srinagar. So I'll pick up the hotel and I'll make a note as well over here. So we have picked up 4 Points by Sheraton, and it is in Srinagar, and we can see the price that it is having is 21,319 INR. So that's the price that we currently have. Of course, it's way exorbitantly priced for anybody who is looking for a normal hotel accommodation, and hence it is going to be out of budget for many of us. What we also need to see over here is the category of this hotel. And this is important because many of the hotel chains assign a category, and based upon that category, there is the trick that comes into picture. So we need to see that there seems to be something which is an arbitrage. So arbitrage means that there is going to be a price difference. Now we have one price which is 21,319, but why am I focusing upon this category? The reason why I'm focusing upon this category is because there are points that you can use to redeem on these sites. For example, we saw that it is a category 2 hotel, right? So we saw that the hotel that we're trying to book is a category 2 hotel, and hence the category 2 hotel, the maximum price for that in points of the hotel will be 15,000. So what is a point? Point are the loyalty points that you get when you stay in the hotel or use their facilities. But you also can buy the points if you don't have sufficient them, and they keep on running some promotional activity how you can buy these points. So we see that the hotel category is 2, and the maximum point we need to buy is 15,000 because we have got 0 points, and the off peak is 10,000. So let's see, if we try to find out the price of this hotel in points, what does that turn out to be? And if we buy those points, then what will be the true value that we'll have to pay? So what I'll do is I'll run this search again, but this time I'll use this points and certificates option as well, and I'll try to find the hotels. So if I do that, let's see what comes out. Okay, so we are here again. We'll try to find our hotel. It was on page 2, so we'll try to see if it is still over there. Okay, so we have come on page 2 now. Let's scroll down and see where our hotel is. And yeah, okay, so here our hotel is. So we can see that it requires 10,000 points. 18,000 is the per night stay, which costed us around 21,319 INR inclusive of taxes. But if we talk about points, it is saying that we only need to get 10,000 points. But how am I going to get 10,000 points, and what is the cost of that? So again, as I said, that there are ways how you can buy the points. So Marriott has got their site where you can go and buy the points. For example, once you have registered on Marriott, what you need to do is you need to just go to your profile. I'll just go to my profile, and over there you can see that there's an option to buy points. I have got some points because I keep on using them, buying them, using them, and again redeeming them and earning them as well when I stay. So if I go on to that site, you can see that there is an option to buy the points. Now, what we need is really 10,000 points. Okay, so 10,000 points, and there's a promotion offer which is currently going on that we get 45% bonus points, which is going to make this very, very cheap. How we're going to see it? So I need 10,000 points, and 10,000 points I can get by buying this 7,000 plus 3,150 bonus points, which is at 87.5 USD. So we're going to be getting 10,150 points. 87.5 USD is the price that I will have to pay. And if I say 87.5 USD to INR, then the price comes out to be 6583.63. That's inclusive of all the taxes. You don't even have to pay a penny beyond that. And that means that you can get this hotel at 6583 only, which is how much of the discount is this, right? Let's try to find out. It is not just 50%, but we'll try to see how much of discount it is. It's at 70% discount. Okay, so that is the price that we will be getting. So you get 14,736 off, and we are getting it at 70% discount, right? Amazing, right? Just to prove that this is not a fling and this is not just one off, I'll also show you a couple of more examples, just so that you can feel that yes, this is indeed true, and not just by chance this has happened. Let's pick up some other date over here, or let's pick a Saturday, Sunday. Let's pick 22nd to 23rd of January and try to find hotels. And I'm putting the use points certificate so that we can clearly see what the difference is, and we'll try to again find some of the hotels, what it is, what the prices of those hotels are. Let's go to page number 3 this time and see if we can see some discrepancy. So what really we're looking for is a difference of INR and a difference of points, right? So where INR price is greater than the points, that is the arbitrage that we need to look for. So if we go down over here further, let's see where these are available. Okay, we don't have any over here, so we'll try to go to the last page. Okay, we again see some arbitrage opportunity over here. So we can see that the price in INR is 14,775. This is excluding taxes. Including taxes, it will probably land out to be somewhere around 17,000. So we'll talk about 17,000 is the price. I will also show you in a short while. But let's say if I take Westin Pushkar, this is the price that we have to pay in INR. But if I talk about how much points do we need, it's saying we need 17,500 points. So in points, we need 17,500 points. And how much are the 17,500 points going to cost? Let's go to the points table. And for us to have 17,500 points, I need to buy points for 150 USD. So if I have to buy for 150 USD, so the points that I'm going to get is, so I need to pay 11,286 rupees. So 11,286 is what I need to pay for this, which would have otherwise costed me around 17,000 rupees. And that means that it is a discount of around 33%. Again, it's a pure simple discount. You don't have to do anything. I mean, you don't have to bargain with anybody. You don't have to do anything. You just need to simply do this trick to be able to get this discount. And as I said, that I will show you that what is the all-inclusive price. So let's go back to the site and we'll see what the all-inclusive price comes out to be. So if I go to this particular reservation and I try to find out the most standard rate available, it is even higher than that. So it comes out to be 17,434, and that's what we talked about, right? So approximately 17,434 is the price that you'll need to pay if you book it directly and you'll get it for 35% discount if you book it via points. So there are opportunities for arbitrage everywhere. You need to just check what is the category of the hotel, what is the price that is available. Different hotel chains run different kind of promotion offer, and that is simply how you can get really good discounts at good prices. I've been using this for a long time now, and I will suggest that you always go to the respective site, look at what the what opportunities as well as what promotion offers are these hotel chains running, and thereby you can see that you can easily buy these hotels or hotel rooms at affordable prices. That's what I wanted to cover in today's video. So if you liked this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button, and for more such informative videos, please make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, bachate rahein, kamate rahein, because every paisa matters.